Back out!
Not now.
Don't let them through!
Tracker destroyed!
Hey, front tracker!
Settle up this time! This thing!
One dead shepherd!
One dead track!
Nope, no. That's how it's done.
Hey, we've got another guardian! Scratch one sniper!
Unlawful citizen spotted.
Shut it down!
We are authorized to use force.
Hey, that's the last of them! Good job, young one!
JD, incoming wind flare.
Oh boy.
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
Ma'am, were you listening? This has nothing to do with a fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of taking her people.
Yeah, whatever that means.
I told you, both of you, don't make me regret taking you in.
Mom, you know she's lying. Since when do we care what the COG thinks?
When it leads to war. You three, get the fabricator to the power station and install the inverter.
You realize Jin's coming back, right? We need to leave, now.
Get the power back on.
Fine. Whatever you want.
You, when more cogs show up, sound the alarm.
Yes, ma'am!
Hey, you always said this day would come.
Which is why we stick to the plan.
Hey man, can we speed this up? Rain is mad enough as it is.
Yeah, I know. It just keeps crapping out. This thing's been through a lot today.
Yeah, well, it can join the club.
It's almost done. Okay, JD, get on that switch. Okay, fire it up.
Look at you.
Guys?
Come on, admit it. You lost faith in me for a second.
Did you touch something?
What?
Something's out there. Come on.
Listen, you need to hide, and then you need to run.
What are you doing?
Hey, you have to
Let me in! Let me in!
Oscar.
Mom! Mom!
Guys, that sounded like there were dozens of them. Hundreds, like a swarm. The hell, man?
Chaz!
Kate,
Come on, let's get after him!
we have no idea where those things went. Look, Jin can help us.
Jin is trying to kill us.
Kate, listen.
Hey, you're not gonna be happy about this, but I know who should see that crystal.
Jin has people that can handle this.
Look, you know as well as I do
They'll know.
that he can help.
Who's Del talking about? Hey! Can he help?
Yeah, he can. The question is, will he? Ugh.